Today I'm here with a new tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create macOS Big Sur Bootable USB. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please go and subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for the latest updates. So guys, let's start. Keep in mind that macOS Big Sur is in developing mode, and to access the developer preview, you must have a developer ID. Sign in using your ID, and you'll need to download an application named macOS Developer Beta Access Utility, and as you can see, I have the application here, and you will also need a createinstallmedia command for USB creation. So, just open the DMG file, then run the package file, and continue the installation process. Now as you can see, the software update dialog box appears, and you can see an update named macOS Beta 10.16. Click on Update Now, and the update file will be downloaded into the application folder, as I have downloaded it earlier, so it just popped up. Quit Install macOS, and close all dialog box and folders. Plug any USB with minimum 16 GB of memory. As you can see, the USB appeared. Click on Go. Click on Utilities, open Disk Utility. Now select your USB flash drive, and erase it with following parameters. Click on Done. Close Disk Utility, close Utilities, and now open Terminal. You can use the Spotlight. Now open the command file, copy the whole command, and paste it to Terminal. Press Enter key, enter your password, and press Y to confirm. Now the USB is being created, and it will take some time. And now finally we have created our macOS Big Sur USB successfully, and you are ready to boot your Mac with it. Restart your Mac, press and hold Option key on your Mac, select the created USB flash drive, and press Enter key, and installer will load. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. For more updates, stay connected. Have a great day.